What's up, YouTube? What's going on? It's your boy Cartel from Real Breed Bullets Camp. Got the two puppies out here on the 4th of July with the fam. Got the pool out here, children out here. Got the puppies, as you see, got the puppies out here. They first time around, people. Got my fam out here. Everybody just chilling, man. Oh, and what's going on? What's up with y'all? Chilling. Yeah. Got Reese Cup out here, man. Got the fan. Got us some ice water out here, man. You know what I'm saying? Got blue strip out here, man. This is their first time around a lot of people, man. And as I say, they behaving pretty well. They behaving real well. So right now, I'm really pleased with the company. Got another dog out here. Well, I went in the hospital or something, but yeah. Got another dog out here. Still moving around. We out here with the fam for the 4th of July. You know what I'm saying? Got everybody in the pool. We chill. Yeah, we chill. Got fam. Sure. Got the kid. Yeah. Reach the cup. Come here, girl. Reach the cup. Yeah, man. Chocolate try. Golden child granddaughter. Got Rocco Mania in them. Got the Graham in them. Got Louis V lines on them. She stacked, man. So she real stacked. That's too much right there, man. Reach the cup. Yeah. Got my daughter in the pool. Hey there. Say what's up. Yeah, got my mama up there, my sister up there. Got my auntie over there. She on the grill. Kids in the pool. Mama out there. Yeah. We chill. Going on with y'all, man. Hoping y'all enjoying y'all. 4th of July, we'll have 4th of July. Nah, not right now. But yeah, enjoying the 4th, man. Got the dogs out. Blue strip. What's up, bro? Blue strip. Hey, bro. Got some good ice water out here, man. That boy like 6 times Mr. Miyagi. Where he got where now?
Where you going to school?
Oh, he don't know yet. He don't been through they say he don't know where he going yet. He say he gonna fill out more applications this year, so.
They offered him?
Nah, they just invited him. They invited him up though. He'll get some this year though.
You think so?
Yeah. This'll be a year. That's in the fam, man. My son ain't out here, my sons. Yeah, like I was saying though, man, that been 6 times listening to y'all right now. You know what I'm saying? Daddy Bandit, Granddaddy Mozzie, great-granddaddy A&B Ice, great-great-granddaddy Mr. The Capline, the Mad Pig, man, off of you know who, Mr. Miyagi, man. Like I say, man, he lying, but he a lying breed dog with Mr. Miyagi tree. So he like 6 times, 7 times Mr. Miyagi. Like I say, man, we out here, man. Enjoying ourselves.
You want something?
Ah,
Oh, you got ice.
yeah. What you got? Oh, yeah, I already on. I'll wait. It's too hot out here right now. It's still coming out of the land. Like, yeah, man, they're playing with the other dog. Right there, too, man. All the fun. On the good note. Yeah. Y'all see Blue Street, man. That is all big. That's all big. Those are all big. Yeah, man, we up and coming though, man. We going to get one more good weekend to add to the Burger Count. No more holiday. Y'all will see. Tune in to the channel. And if you're watching and if you like, subscribe, man. Hit the like button, man. Hit this comment. Subscribe. Do it for us, man. Like I say, we're a new YouTube channel. Member family and love over here. So if you can, just subscribe. Like, comment if you can. Comment, just comment American Bullies if you love it. Like I say, man, this is their first time out around multiple people other than me since I got them. And another dog. And like I say, I'm impressed. I'm impressed by what I see, man. I love the temperament so far, man. Like, they play different with each other, but as I see when they get around other dogs, you know, they change. So, you know. Like I say, man, happy 4th of July. Bringing y'all a video. Y'all can wish me back out the 4th of July by subscribing to the channel, man. You know what I'm saying? I know my footage are all in that trip, but hey, I'm bringing y'all the real, fam. Me over here sweating in the cut. My on everybody. But like I say, man, if you can, like, comment, and please subscribe. Until next time, man, happy 4th of July to y'all, folks, man. We out.